as a consumer, yeah, I made a mistake. This is a 50+ thousand dollar car, and I really shouldn't be penalized if I took the time to go to a reputable body shop, get all factory owned parts, and put the car back together the way it was when I bought the vehicle. And now with a Carfax report that says major damage. And if there was no other supplement report to that, whether it's another consumer, whether it's another auto dealer, whether it's a third party, I'm going to get a very, very small margin on my investment if I want to make a trade or exchange the car for something else. And by integrating the report from Condition Now into the Carfax report, it gives you a better picture. Now, as an educated consumer, you can look at this and say, okay, here's the repair, here's the damage, here's the accident, here's all the parts that were used, here's the time expended by the body shop to repair the damage, and here's a report that validates the reputation of the auto body place and the type of quality repairs that they performed. So now I'm hoping that it'll help me down the road should I want to exchange a car.